Hello fellow riders, today I will be replacing my clutch cable because as you can see it broke. Now the first thing you need to do is remove the right hand side fairing to gain access to the cable. Most of the work will be on the left hand side. What you have here is a cotter pin, which you have to remove. So you'll need a vice grip to hold this top part, and then a needle nose plier to remove the pin. After you remove this, then you can remove the cable itself. Right, so it took more fiddling than I thought, so I had to move the camera away to have more room, but I managed to straighten it. So you turn it to the other side and then just remove the pin. So this is the pin. How it works is it goes inside here, and then you bend it. When the mechanic first explained it to me on the bike, I didn't understand clearly, but then he showed me a pin and was quite clear. So it's a fairly simple job, just probably needs a bit of time. Now we can remove the cable, but you need to be to keep track of the routing of the cable so that you can route back the new one. Next thing will be lubricating the new clutch cable. I wanted to use a specific product from Liqui Moly, but that wasn't available. So I will be using this Cyclo white grease. I got mixed opinions when I asked about this, but actually the Ducati dealership are the ones that recommended this for me, as I was supposed to get the Liqui Moly from them, but they said it wasn't available, and this is their second option. When it's not available, they get it from the hardware store. And reading through it, one of the applications is chains and cables. So I'll be trying it out, and hopefully it works well. Now I got this funnel idea from Ari Henning from Motorcyclist magazine, and I haven't tried it yet, so let's see how it goes. Well, this is thicker than I thought, but what you have to do is work the cable. So it goes inside. Right, so I am supposedly done with the lubing the cable. I'm not very fond of this white grease stuff. I actually was considering cleaning it off with some WD-40 and using engine oil, but decided not to delay it anymore and just put the thing on the bike, and if I had any problems then I'll clean it all over. Some people actually use engine oil, which I would have used had I known that I had some. And otherwise, there are specific cable lubricants. This was quite thick, so I'm not sure how far it went into the cable. So I just put some on the other end and called it a day. And we'll continue with reinstalling it. I mean, installing it. It's a bit windy today, so I hope you'll hear me fine. So to route it, it's quite simple. It doesn't go through anything here. It goes under these cables and then through the frame from here. And then you have I don't know if you can see it here. If you can see, yeah, a small piece in the frame that the cable goes through, and then comes right here and through there, as you can see. So it's fairly straightforward. Now what we're going to do is reverse the first step we did and simply insert the cotter pin into the hole and bend it so it stays put. Now here you might have these facing backwards, so you'll have to move them until they face forward, and then you can remove the old cable and should be able to install the new one. Right, so as you can see here, I don't have much room to play with, so I'll have to adjust it from the other side so I can have more clearance. Lovely. So actually I wasn't supposed to adjust the cable. I went and asked the mechanic as I couldn't figure it out. What you have to do is remove the lever itself and put the cable in place and then install them together. So what you need is loosen this and bring this all the way inside and have their opening facing forward. Then you need to remove the lever. You put the cable in place. Make sure that the cable is not tightened on the other side, as I had it that way, so it was difficult to install it. But now that I've loosened it, just put it here and goes right in. And that's it. Just adjust the clutch, and you're ready to ride. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, and thanks for watching.